Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Today I have some beautiful units for you guys, and I think I'm going to be giving away all the units that I reviewed today, and I will be giving away some tomorrow as well, because last Thursday I didn't go live, and I was telling you guys that I will be live this Thursday, but it's Thanksgiving. I forgot it was Thanksgiving this Thursday, so I don't think I'll be going live this Thursday. So I'll just be giving away more wigs this week. So Friday, when I announce the winners, there'll be more winners. There'll be more than 3 at least. Okay, so let's start. So I have this new Outre Perfect hairline wig, and this one comes with a full scalp, and I'll explain that in a little bit. She's called Jelani, and I have her in the color DR6/Champagne Fizz, and this is a Champagne Fizz. At first, when I saw Champagne Fizz, I was like, yes, I'm really excited that I got this color. And then when I saw the stock cut, I was like, oh, that's Champagne Fizz. So yeah, this is the color, and like, of course, this is a giveaway, like I said, because all the wigs that I review today will be giveaways. So this will be the first giveaway. But guys, let's go into the full scalp for a little bit. Now, you guys know the Outre Perfect hairline wigs are wigs with 13x6 frontal up front. Okay, so basically you get 13 inches from ear to ear, 6 inches from front to back of parting space that you can part wherever you want to. And guys, remember, I think it was Motown Tress that had the full scalp, and I was saying that I really don't like it. Well, I shouldn't say don't like it, it just doesn't really make much sense to me. And that's where you have an extra layer of lace underneath the actual lace. So this is a frontal, it comes with a regular lace and everything like that, but underneath that you have a stretchable mesh net material that's like a tan nudish color that just covers the whole area at the bottom. To be honest, I don't see where it makes any sense whatsoever. To me, it doesn't show up that well, especially up front, and I'll probably like do it up close and show you guys what I'm talking about. You will see that line of demarcation right there, because it's like you get like regular lace at the front, and then about an inch or I would say about half an inch back, way back, like that's where the extra lace underneath starts. So you see that line where it starts. So to me, that doesn't look natural at all. You have to do a lot to try to blend it and make it look okay and stuff like that. So I don't see, you know, why they added that. Now, this is an HD lace wig. So to make matters worse, well, I shouldn't even say worse, but the fact that this is an HD transparent lace wig, even if you spray the lace tint spray, as you guys saw me do up front, I sprayed it, and the hairline itself, like right to the edges, it blends with my skin complexion, but you still see that line of demarcation, and you still have to add powder or concealer to the part, because even if you spray underneath, it doesn't get through that 2 layers of lace under there. So what I would suggest, if you want to try it out, go ahead. The good thing about it, you can always cut this extra lace off, like the extra lace underneath it. You can always cut this off if you don't like it. So I would say go ahead, give it a try, and if you don't like it, just cut it out. Okay, it's that simple. And of course, up front you get 2 combs. In the back you have 1, and you have the adjustable straps. You also have an elastic band at the back. Now, the elastic band is very loose, I would say. It's not an adjustable elastic band, so it doesn't really do much. Like, it's not tight, it's not snug. I mean, maybe if you have a larger head size, it will fit a little bit like snugger, but for me personally, it's not fitting snug at all. It's just there. I feel like I would have to use the combs, although I don't like using the combs in a wig. I feel like I would have to use the combs, or at least glue the front down, in order for me to feel secure to leave the house. Like, I can't just throw this on and leave anymore. No. Or I would have to tighten the elastic band or something, you know, like try to tighten it in some way. But anyway, the rest of the cap is just a regular cap construction. And guys, like I said, this is a 13x6 frontal, so you can part it left, right, or center. I decided to give it a center part, and of course it comes with baby hairs. So the baby hairs are pretty natural in terms of density, because the entire frontal is pre-plucked. So you have a really natural hairline, but it is pretty long, so you would want to go in and maybe trim it down a little bit more and stuff like that. But anyway, this is pretty much it. The hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Let me show you the stock card, by the way. This is what the stock card looks like. Hopefully you guys can see. I don't know, these things never focus. I don't even know why I try day after day, week after week, I'm trying to show you guys these things and they never focus. But anyway guys, I hope this review was thorough. I hope you understood everything I said, and I hope I was able to explain it properly to you guys. So let me know what you think about this unit in the comment section down below. I will leave the rules for the giveaway in the comment down there, so it will be linked in the comments. Make sure to follow all the rules, and the winners will be announced this upcoming Friday in the giveaway announcement video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in my next reviews. You won't want to miss it because they are pretty units, so stay tuned for that. Bye guys.